So how can you start producing music? If you want to start producing music on your computer and you have no idea where to start, the simplest way is to get a free DAW, which stands for Digital Audio Workstation. One of them is Pro Tools First from Avid. After you got your DAW, pass some time to learn how it works, or the basics. I actually have a Pro Tools 101 video on my channel, so go check it out. Then get some free audio sample loops on the internet. Just Google free audio sample loops. Usually they are packed into folders according to their tempo. Next, import them into your digital audio workstation and start playing. This way you will start learning how to build a song from a simple to a more complex structure. However, in case you want to learn exactly how to produce a song from start to finish, check out my music production masterclass. Until next time, stay cool and make great music.